In this video, I'll show you how to create creative Polaroid effect in Canva. Let's use this image as an example. Go to the Elements tab and search for Picture Frame. Navigate to the Frames category. Select the Polaroid style frame you like and click to add it to your page. Drag your image into the frame. Double-click the image to adjust its size and position. Next, duplicate the frame multiple times and arrange them as needed. For each duplicated frame, double-click the image inside to reposition it and match the original frame's layout. Select all the frames and lock them. Then, add the same image to the page again. Click BG Remover to delete the background. Resize and position this image to align perfectly with the frames. While adjusting, temporarily lower the transparency for easier alignment. Once matched, reset the transparency to 100%. Drag the bottom border of the image upward to keep only the top portion visible. Now, change the background color of your design. Go back to Elements, search for Shadow, and switch to the Graphics category. Add a circle shadow to the page. Then change the color to white. Place a subtle shadow beneath it. And reduce its transparency slightly. Finally, go to the Position menu, click Layer, and move all shadows below the frames. And that's it! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.